Discover the psychology of colors in web design. Red is a vibrant and energetic color that often evokes passion, excitement, and urgency. It can be used to draw attention or create a sense of urgency on your website. Orange is associated with enthusiasm, creativity, and warmth, making it an excellent choice for promoting positive vibes and a friendly atmosphere. Yellow, often associated with sunshine and joy, can evoke feelings of happiness, optimism, and warmth. Blue is known for its calming and soothing qualities. It represents trust, reliability, and serenity, making it ideal for corporate websites or those aiming to create a sense of tranquility. Green, the color of nature, symbolizes growth, harmony, and freshness. It can be used to create a calming and balanced environment, especially for websites related to health, well-being, or sustainability. Purple, often associated with luxury and creativity, can evoke feelings of mystery, elegance, and spirituality. Black is often associated with sophistication, power, and mystery. It can create a sense of elegance and luxury when used appropriately. White represents purity, simplicity, and cleanliness, making it a popular choice for minimalist designs or websites where clarity is essential. Gray is often associated with professionalism, practicality, and neutrality, providing a stable and balanced backdrop for other colors. Brown, a color associated with earthiness and warmth, can create a sense of reliability and authenticity. Follow for more web design tips.